What is the topic today? How much time it will take to learn English language? How much time does it take to fluent in English? Everyone having this question in their minds, right? You want to get the clarity? You have to watch till the end. Further delay, let's get into the video. Well guys, everyone having this question, right? I know that. Because I have a question when I was learning English language. I started learning English language. Within 1 week I am thinking about end result. I am not getting result. I am not able to talk with someone. I am not able to get the words. I am not making the sentences in good effective way. I don't want to learn. I can't able to learn this language. So I want fit here itself. Like that I am thinking end result only. Then when I will put efforts, always when you thinking about end result, it will take always negative thoughts in your mind. I realize that sometime. Then I realize that and I can take notebook and pen, write it down how it will learn English language, how it's get the words, how make a sentences. Everything slowly I can learn English language because of my efforts. I never thinking about end result. I am always thinking about how it's possible to learn English language. I want to learn English language in different way. I want to my interest only then make me how it is. Guys, everyone put efforts, but when you have interest to learn English language, then only you will get the result. When you love learning English language, you will get amazing result, effective result, proficient English speaker in future. So don't thinking about end result. You have to learn English language. You have idea, you want to learn communication skills, so you have to put efforts. How much time you have? Think and write it down. I have this time only. I want to learn this time only to learn English language. Because everyone busy their work, busy schedules, right? So you have 10 minutes, you have 1 hour, just thinking about that. Write it down. I have this time only to learn English language. Write it down, and this 5 minutes I want to read the books. These 5 minutes I want to write it down something. These 5 minutes I want to get the words and revise that words every day. And I want to talk with my friends in English only. And I want to speak at least 10 minutes every day. Take some topic and explain something in front of your friends. It's not possible to, you are getting fear, then you can explain yourself. You only the guider for you. So at the starting stage learning English language, no need to thinking about others' feedback. You have to get the food's efforts and explain something in front of mirror or yourself. Then take guide for yourself only where you are getting mistake. No need to thinking about end result, because it's lot of things included in English language. It takes so much time. Based on your efforts and interest only you will get the fluency. No one have idea every word. No one have idea the sentences. You have some ideas, other one having some ideas. So you have to thinking about yourself. Don't thinking about others. I already said that last video. So you have to think yourself only. What you want succeed in your life. If you want fluent in English, proficient speaker in English, you should put your efforts. There is no another way. No, never thinking about end result. You can't able to get the English language when you're thinking about end result. It takes a lot of time to get the fluency. Right? So you have to put efforts to learn English language When you have ideas, some words, some sentences, try to think, try to talk with your friends every day. There is no any mistake. You want to learn English language, right? So you have to talk. They will laugh at you, they will think negative way. There is no any another way. There is no problem. They will think negative way. What is the problem about you? You have to talk, you have to learn English language, right? So you have to talk. 1 day, 2 days, they will think negative way, they will not laugh at you. Other days they will do their works, right? So you have to think, you have to talk with them in English only. It's easy for you to get the fluency in some days only. But never stop. Always learn something, because it's lot of things included. Grammar things, words, synonyms, idioms, connectors, so many things are there. Don't thinking about all the things. You have to talk, you have to speak out, speak something every day. It will take some time. Put the efforts, get the amazing result, guys. No need to think always getting result only. I am done today's video. Thank you so much for watching my videos. I think you will get some clarity to learn English language, how much time it will take, everything you can get clarity in this video. Guys, don't thinking about end result. You have to think about how to learn English language. Any different way. I want to choose that one only. I want to read something different way. Like this, you have to think. You are the different person in your life, right? So you have to choose different way to learn new things, to learn communication skills, everything. Choose different way, because everyone thinking power is different way. How to put efforts. That's it. Thank you so much for watching my videos. We will meet on next interesting video. Shining off, Katie. Bye.